Really? You are our feathered friend. Now, we want to learn more about other birds like you. This is a duck. The duck is a water bird. It is white, brown, and black in color. Ducks quack. It builds a nest in grass that grows in the water. A duck eats small fish and weeds that grow in the water. This is a kite. It flies very high in the sky. A kite is a big bird. It is brown in color. A kite whistles. A kite builds nests in treetops. A kite eats insects and small animals like rats.